Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect an Audi Q5 battery. First, always prioritize your safety by wearing appropriate protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Next, you'll need to locate the battery, which in many Audi Q5 models is conveniently found in the trunk, though some might be under the hood. Once you've located the battery, your next step is to disconnect the negative terminal. Using a 10 mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. Remember, this is usually marked with a minus sign. Once loosened, gently lift and remove the negative cable from the battery post. It's crucial to secure this cable away from any metal components of the car to prevent accidental contact or short circuits. With the negative terminal safely disconnected, you can now proceed to the positive terminal. Again, using your 10 mm wrench, loosen the nut on the positive battery terminal, which is typically marked with a plus sign. Carefully remove the positive cable, making sure it doesn't touch any metal surfaces on the vehicle. For added safety, you might want to cover the end of the positive cable with electrical tape or a cloth to prevent any accidental arcing. After both terminals are disconnected, double-check that they are completely free from the battery posts and secured away from any contact points. When you're ready to reconnect the battery, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. This order helps prevent sparks and ensures a safer connection. And hey, while you're tackling projects, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.